We've got our mini LED black lights. So these are compact, they are waterproof, very portable. You see here how small they are. Got a belt clip on here, has a telescoping lens. You can see that there, so you can make it a more narrow focus or broader light. And the black light can be used to make invisible things visible. So black light markers, something along those lines that can only be seen under black light. Other things that can be seen under black light, pet stains in carpet, stuff like that. So many uses for a miniature black light. Compact, waterproof, durable, metal casing, rechargeable batteries.